Great morning, great afternoon, great evening. This is your Achievement Mindset Coach Jeff, and welcome to our Achievementality Coaching Session Episode 8. Yes, 8 videos na po tayo. 8 videos of helping people unleash and unlock their achievementality in their life, work, and business. What is this achievementality? Simply means having an achievement mindset. And ano nga ba itong achievement mindset? It is a mindset na nagsasabi na kaya kakayanin instead na hindi kaya. May paraan instead na walang paraan. Achievement mindset or achievementality also means that you can be the person that you would like to be, that you can do the things that you would like to do, and that you can have the dreams that you would like to have. Yun po ang achievementality. And hopefully these videos are helping you to unlock and unleash your achievementality. We are now on our 8th episode. And ano ba ang topic natin in this 8th episode? And before we talk about the topic, always remember, ano bang reminder namin? Our life and work and business are in constant journey of struggling to surviving to succeeding. Keep on going because greater days are yet to come. Okay? I experienced that personally because I was clinically diagnosed with severe sadness, anxiety, and depression. But with God, with the support system that I have, with the environment that I have, I didn't allow na yung findings na yun to define me. Okay? And I prayed for achievementality, and now I'm sharing to you my experience. Guys, I'm not better than you. Hindi ako yung mas maraming alam sa inyo. I'm just sharing my experience and sana nakakatulong sa inyo. Again, welcome to our episode 8. And our topic for this video, 3 things that shape your mindset. 3 things that shape your mindset. Bakit mahalaga malaman natin to? Kasi pag alam mo kung ano nagsishape ng mindset mo, alam mo rin paano isi-shape ang mindset mo. Always remember that mindset is a choice. Yung nilalagay mo dyan at ginagamit mo, paano mo ginagamit yung mindset mo is always a choice. So this is just a reminder ng 3 bagay na ito. This is the top 3. Marami pa. Pwede kang mag-research ng marami pa na mag-shape ng mindset mo. But this top 3 are pretty obvious na ito yung nag-shape ng mindset mo. Kung paano ka mag-isip ngayon, malamang dahil sa 3 ito. At kaya dapat alagaan mo itong 3 ito. Let's start with, number 1, your environment. Your environment, yung paligid mo, yung mga tao na sa paligid mo, yung paniniwala sa paligid mo, yung gawi, yung culture na nasa paligid mo, na-adapt mo yan as you grow. Diba? Minsan nagugulat ka, bakit pasigaw ako magsalita? Yung pala, nasanay ka na puro pasigaw yung nasa paligid mo. Baka ikaw ay nasa company of people who love to justify, who love to blame, who love to complain. Unknowingly, ikaw na magiging ganun na rin mindset mo. Mahilig ka mag-justify, mahilig ka mag-blame, mahilig ka mag-complain. Kasi yan yung environment na nakasanayan mo. So guys, the good thing is, you can choose anong pupulutin mo sa environment. Or the best news is, you can choose which environment ka pwede mabelong. You can choose which company of people na pwede kang mabilong, which belief ang sasamahan mo, anong community ang sasamahan mo, anong mga advocacy ang sasamahan mo. You have that choice. Kasi importante ang environment. It will shape your mindset. And your mindset will shape your life, work, and business. So that's why it's important. Your environment. 3 letter E po ito para madali po ulit tandaan. Second is your experience. Okay? Paano yun? Experience nangyari na. Bago siya maging experience, nagkaroon muna ng desisyon. So your experience are results of your decision. So if your experience is a factor that will shape your mindset, so kailangan maging maingat ka sa mga gagawin mong desisyon at sa mga gusto mong ma-experience sa buhay mo. Because your experience will shape your mindset. Yung mga naranasan mo noon, pwede ka kasing mamili. Ano ba yung iaalaw mong maranasan? Nakaranas ka ba ng pain o baka inalaw mo yung pain? There are things na na-experience mo kasi hinayaan mo siya. May mga bagay na na-experience mo na wala kang control, baka yun na nagpa-apekto sa'yo. Do not control the uncontrollables. Maraming mga bagay na wala kang control. Mga sasabihin sa'yo ng tao, yung weather. Wag mo dun ibase ang learning mo from your experience. But from your experience, yung talagang intentional na idedesisyonan mo, learn from those things and let it be a reminder on how to make better decisions as you grow older. Number 1, environment. Number 2, experience. And number 3 is your exposure. Saan mo ba ini-expose yung sarili mo? Sino ba mga tao? Ano ba mga principles ang pinapakinggan mo? Ano bang courses ang ini-enrollan mo? Ano ba mga video ang pinapanood mo bukod sa Achievementality coaching session na ito? Saan mo ba ini-expose yung sarili mo? Saan ka ba nag-engage? Anong mga lugar ang pinupuntahan mo? Anong mga libro ang binabasa mo? Sinong mga tao ang pinaniniwalaan mo? Anong mga pinapanood mo na mga belief system? This will shape your mindset. Kaya ka ganito mag-isip ngayon because of your environment, because of your experience, and because of your exposure. So kung ito pala ang tatlo na ang nagsishape ng mindset mo and you want an achievement mentality, you want an achievement mindset, make sure that you are in the environment of achievers. Make sure na yung experience mo mag-set ng goal para ma-experience mo rin mag-get ang goal. Number 3, i-expose mo yung sarili mo sa mga principles and belief that will help you achieve the person that you would like to be, achieve the things you would like to do, and achieve the things that you would like to have. The decision is yours. These are the major 3 things na pwedeng mag-shape ng mindset mo. Ngayon pa lang, gumawa ka na ng desisyon, gumawa ka na ng isang bagay na pasasalamatan mo ang sarili mo in the future. And ano yon? By correcting or changing your environment, by learning from your experience, and also by choosing to which you will be exposed. Your environment, your experience, and your exposure, malaki po talaga ang factor nito sa inyong mindset. And once you able to determine ano bang environment ko ngayon, ano bang mga experience ko, ano bang exposure ang meron ako, tingnan mo ngayon anong mindset ang meron ka. Anong mindset ang meron ka patungkol sa success? Anong mindset ang patungkol sa pera, patungkol sa work, patungkol sa business, patungkol sa people skills, patungkol sa pakikirelate sa tao? Malaman mo kung anong mindset ka na meron ka para alam mo, kasi this will give you signs kung saan ka papunta. Always remember that success is predictable. Kung ano yung mindset mo ngayon, pwedeng maging yan ang maging skill set mo, pwedeng yan din ang maging behavior mo, and it will predict kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Okay? So, kung gusto mo talaga ng achieve mentality, tanong ko sa'yo, anong environment meron ka? Tanong ko sa'yo, anong mga experience ang natutunan mo? By the way, you don't just learn from your own experience. You don't need to experience everything just to learn something. You can also learn from the experience of other people. For example, na-experience na nilang malugi sa negosyo dahil meron silang ginawang maling desisyon. Hindi ka pa naniwala. Ginawa mo rin yung maling desisyon. Para gusto, kasi sabi mo, experience is the best teacher. Guys, it's not just your own experience that can give you the best teaching in life, but also the experience of other people. And another question, saan ka ba nag-expose? Saan mo inaalat yung time mo? Saan mo inaalat yung effort mo, yung focus mo? That answers the question, saan ka nag-expose? Again, hope nakatulong. Hope these videos help you to unleash and unlock your achievement mentality in your life, work, and business. This has been your Achievement Mindset Coach, Jeff. Always praying for you to have, Jeff, a joyful life, excellent work, and fruitful business. Guys, kung meron pa kayong topic na gusto mo pag-usapan, inform us. If you want to collaborate, inform us. We would like to see you on our next videos. God bless you all and God bless you more.